occasione.
This car originally came from Italy. There's a motoring company.
Oh.
Full cage polish on all the cars. Inspection. We have the full wash base needle, and then that's the spray booth.
Ok, wow. Andiamo a ispezionare, ragazzi. Guys, sorry for camera, it doesn't speak Italian.
No.
Not even English, actually.
Yeah. Scottish only, yeah.
He speaks Scottish, è scozzese.
So this section, like when cars are getting black packed, all the parts are removed. Every single part.
Can I do something?
Yeah. Maybe you can run it on there, yeah.
I don't want to damage.
Yeah, it's fine.
Are you sure? Like that?
Yeah.
Wow! Nice.
So yeah, that's the tools for pulling the dent out the cars. Then every station has air guns. They have their own trolley for all the different detailing tools. So this one, he's just doing a normal polish. On the Mercedes, once the polish is finished, ceramic coating will be applied.
I thought you were dealing only with cars.
Oh yeah, no,
You also have Tesla?
Yeah. We don't like them too much. And then we get a lot of inquiries for changing the colours of the wheels. So black, silver, etc.
And I can bring you here my car also if I don't buy here?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so
yeah,
you are a proper garage?
Yes,
actually.
yeah.
Okay.
We'll take outside cars, not just our own. Even next door, one car, we're doing a full colour change wrap. So all the parts change. We had to remove all the bumpers, the fenders, special order.
Okay.
Then we have our own in-house mechanics, Nico, Sigel, Sanjay, Romeo. Our Neil actually ex-Aston Martin technician. So we have all in-house guys as well for in-house maintenance. All we can do, no problem.
Cam, thanks again for
No
your
problem, Nico.
support.
Anytime.
Thank you.
Anytime.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Ma salama.